Dougherty Garden. I'll show you my pretty little base. It's me, a good looking little boy, but too old. Alright, here we go. Let's go talk to our plants. Today we're looking at a popular landscape bomb, and now I recently found out that several people are growing it in rooms, so you can check out the video of growing it. I'm sure they have little tricks of the trade. I grow outdoors. So basically I had 4 pots of Pygmy date palm seedlings, and here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what I'm doing presently at the moment is I'm taking these and removing the weeds, thinning the herd, as I would say, thinning them down to like 10 or 20 a pot. And what I do is I take out a weed. So what I did in this case was I split the pot, took it over here, spread it out, get them out. In this tray over here, you can see there's still a bunch of seeds that didn't germinate, but I'm not worried about them. They become part of the compost and soil later on, and that's where they'll stay, and we're happy with that. And the next step over here is taking my little section of seeds and taking them basically and separating them. Oh, just look over here, quick, you can see what I have, and I'll put a picture on the thing later on, and I'll do a video when my granddaughter gets there. She's my photojournalist, my videographer, I guess what you could say. And we'll get back to it later on. But basically, I'm taking them from the weed collection, separates the seedlings, pull out all the weeds out of here, so this way when I deal with them, there's the weeds to be. But this is basically pretty decent ground cover, as you can see. It'll grow about 12 to 18 inches around the circle area, and all those there's seeds, about thousands in here. I got a set of those about 10 years ago, and they still keep on going. So that's ground cover. You ever need good ground cover? Here's my seeds. This is what they look like after about a year, my seedlings. And what I'll do is I'll pot them up here in my little pot of soil over here, and I just made a mix of my potting soil with my little numerous ingredients over here. And this is my mixing area. In the pot of soil, I potted up everything that was there, put them into some little pot, and what I'll do is I'll just make a quick one, so this way you can see. Just put a hole over here. Let's just take a decent amount, just to give you effect, to show how easy it is. Just pot them up, and there they are. And voila, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 palms. I'll basically, just for the purpose of the video, I did this to show you how easy it is. But basically, I'll just bring it over to my soil, take a little soil, sprinkle it on the sides, and give it a little Florida sun. And this little puppy is ready to sit there and germinate. If anybody's looking for seedlings, I got a bunch over here. Not keen on price at the moment, but if you're interested, maybe we can discuss. And they usually ship by priority, or I haven't done that for about several years with eBay. But maybe it's time to get rid of some of these, because I hate to throw them away. If somebody's interested in growing these palms, I understand they make a nice home palm. I've been growing for years indoors, and it looks like Mother Nature's going to unload a bunch of rain over here shortly. So just stop by if you're interested. Let me know. Green's already blog. I'm Marty, and these are Pygmy date palm seedlings. Young little babies, just under a year old, and make a great addition to your either your landscape or in the same. Well, for now you can grow them outside for a couple of months until the cold season sets in, and then you'll have a nice little indoor pond. And I'm sure there's a lot of guys out there with indoor tricks. I don't grow indoors. I tend to do all my weight and growing outdoors, because I like being outdoors, not indoors. Thank you for stopping by and have fun. The Dougherty Garden. Check out, give us a comment. We're all ears. We're always learning. If you want some, let me know, and we can make an offer to ship you some. Thank you. Bye-bye.